This is the elevator at the Walnut on Highland garage in East Liberty, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Go up to 4. Here at the 4th floor. We'll go back down to 1. There are quite some shaft noises going up. The reason why I'm starting on the inside is because it's restricted access on all the outside floors. Pretty basic stainless steel cap. There's Big Brother. For our garage, I've also filmed the elevators in the apartment buildings here too. Here's our Schindler HT panel, just a pretty basic Schindler 330A elevator installed in 2013. Case 5 elevators. There's a Schindler HT panel for 330A. Back on 1. As you'll see on the outside, there is a vandal resistant haul station that's also key carded off for some strange reason. So you can easily get off. So close this, and that's going to be it.